Once you are back on your modules page, you will be able to insert a page to your module by clicking on the plus sign beside your module name. From there, go to the drop-down, select Page, New Page, give your page a name, Unit 1 Lesson, and then add your item. You'll be able to access your page by clicking on the page name. It will show you a preview of your page. Click Edit to put information on there. And this is where it will allow you to edit your content. So you'll place your content of your lesson here. You can change the size, the style, everything like that. You can put in any links that you have, either to other Canvas pages, to an assignment, things like that here. Any images that you have, media that you record, either reading or videos of yourself, any documents you have if you want to share a file, or you could go over to the plugin. And this is, of course, where you'll find your YouTube videos and things like that to go in and search and pull up anything that you need from there. I'm going to go back to my page and just save it as is for an example. And again, it will show you what you have edited and what you have placed on your page. And that is how you create your page.